In this video, we will show you how to export a list of previous, canceled, active, or guest members from your club. To do this, start by clicking on the administrative icon in the top right corner. From here, find the Members tab. Within the Members tab, you can click on the Status drop-down bar to select the status of the member you wish to export a list for. Additionally, you can select the user type such as guest, current members, or admin. Once you've selected your specific type of member you wish to export a list for, click on the three dots icon for additional options. Here you'll find the Export button. Clicking on the Export button brings down a list of possible information that you wish to export, such as first name, last name, or email. Additionally, under Schedule you have the option to schedule an export list to be sent to your email either monthly, every 3 months, every 6 months, or every 12 months. Once you're happy with your selections, click the Export button and a file will be sent to your email address. Additionally, you can download the file straight from your homepage. Once downloaded, you're presented with an Excel file with all the information you selected before.